What equipment do I need to check my baby's heartbeat at home?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a very important topic: how to check your baby's heartbeat at home. This is an essential skill that allows you to monitor the health and well-being of your unborn child. Please remember, though, that any concerns or abnormalities should always be discussed with your healthcare provider.
What equipment do I need?
To check your baby's heartbeat at home, you will primarily need a fetal Doppler. This handheld ultrasound device sends high-frequency sound waves into your body which bounce off your baby's heart. The Doppler then picks up the returned sound waves and transforms them into sound that you can hear. This sound is the baby's heartbeat. It's important to remember that while fetal Dopplers are safe to use, they should not be used excessively or without reason. Some experts recommend using them no more than once a day, for no longer than 10 minutes at a time. You'll also need ultrasound gel, which helps in the transmission of the sound waves. Without this gel, the sound waves may not be able to travel effectively, making it difficult to pick up the heartbeat.
How do I use the equipment?
Before you start, find a quiet room and take a moment to relax. This will make the process easier for both you and your baby. 1. Apply the ultrasound gel to your abdomen. You don't need a lot, just enough to cover the area you'll be checking. 2. Turn on the fetal Doppler and place it on your abdomen. You may need to move it around slowly to find the heartbeat. 3. The baby's heartbeat is faster than an adult's, anywhere from 120 to 160 beats per minute. It may sound like a fast galloping horse. Don't confuse it with your own heartbeat or the sound of blood flowing in your abdominal vessels.
What should I be aware of?
While fetal Dopplers are a wonderful tool to connect with your unborn child, there are some things to bear in mind. First, finding a baby's heartbeat can be tricky, especially in early pregnancy. If you are unable to locate the heartbeat, do not panic. It does not necessarily mean there is a problem. It could be due to the baby's position, the location of your placenta, or simply because it is too early in the pregnancy. Second, fetal Dopplers should not be used to self-diagnose any potential complications. If you have any concerns, always consult your healthcare provider. Lastly, fetal Dopplers should not replace regular prenatal care and checkups. They are a supplement to, not a replacement for, professional medical care. Checking your baby's heartbeat at home with a fetal Doppler can be a reassuring and bonding experience. It's an easy process once you have the right equipment and know how to use it. Always remember to use your Doppler responsibly and reach out to a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Thank you for joining us today and happy monitoring.